Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to delete existing contact from our phone book from Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To delete our contact, we have to go to the phone book first, contacts here, and here from this list we will choose our contact that we want to delete. Tap a contact, and here we have this little menu here to delete our contact. We have to go to the more options here under the three dots, and here we have delete. So we simply tap it once, yes, move to recycle bin, and now our contact is gone from our phone. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.